Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact Jinu wallpaper variant you want and your device resolution so the image fits without cropping. Once done, open the most reliable sources, artist portfolio, image boards, and reputable wallpaper apps, and sign in if needed. Make sure to note orientation and any licensing or download restrictions before proceeding. You want the correct file type and size. This prevents wasted downloads and ensures quality. From here, you'll pull the image and prepare it for installation. You now download the chosen Jinu image in its highest available resolution and verify the file format: PNG for sharp edges, JPG for smaller size. Once downloaded, open a basic editor to crop or resize to your device's exact resolution and orientation. This avoids stretching. Make sure to maintain aspect ratio, then apply light sharpening if necessary. Once optimized, export at maximum quality with minimal compression so the wallpaper looks crisp without using excessive storage. You finish by setting the Jinu wallpaper through your device's display or wallpaper settings and selecting Home, Lock, or both. Once applied, check scaling and position. If it's off, adjust the crop or reposition inside settings and reapply. If the image looks blurry or wrong, make sure you export it at the native resolution, clear any wallpaper/cache data, and restart the device. If problems persist, re-download the original source and repeat the resize step to preserve quality and alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.